A team of 40 domestic breeding checkers employees inspected 9,48,568 houses. Notices have been given to 29 house owners. One patient has been found positive so far. As per the orders and guidelines of the Director Health Department Haryana, the Health Department Charkhi Dadri has conducted a comprehensive campaign to prevent seasonal diseases like malaria and dengue. The month of June is being celebrated as the Anti-Malaria Month by the Health Department. A survey and awareness campaign is being conducted on a large scale under the guidance of the District Malaria Officer. Under which, by going door to door and checking the larvae, suspects suffering from fever are identified, blood tests are done and necessary action is being taken if larvae are found. Also, people are being made aware about cleanliness and prevention of waterlogging. These are being checked. Under the anti-malaria campaign, the teams are thoroughly checking the cleanliness of the roofs after removing water coolers, troughs, tanks, vessels for keeping water for birds and animals, fridge trays and broken earthen pots, tires etc. kept on the roofs. A special team has been formed for this work. 9,48,568 houses have been examined so far. The Health Department has formed a special team of 40 domestic breeding checkers employees, who are conducting source reduction, anti-larva activities, fogging, drug spraying and awareness campaigns in the city and rural areas. So far, 9,48,568 houses have been examined by the department, out of which larvae have been found in 118 houses. Out of which notices have been issued to 29 houses. One patient found positive so far. 32,823 slides have been made for malaria examination, in which one patient has been found positive. Samples of 119 suspected people have been taken for dengue examination, in which only one patient has been found dengue positive. This patient has been confirmed by Bhiwani Civil Hospital. Apart from this, the department's team examined 12,53,831 containers, in which larvae were found in 120. The campaign of fogging and anti-larva spray in waterlogged areas is going on continuously in the city. All teams are going door to door and checking. Health Inspector Jagdish Jakhar said that as per the orders of District Malaria Officer Drive Suman Tambar, all VBD urban and rural teams have been instructed that the purpose of celebrating the month of June as anti-malaria in the entire district is to make the common man aware about malaria, how a mosquito can bring dangerous changes in our lives and how we can stop the breeding of mosquitoes. All the teams are visiting door to door in the city and checking the mosquito larvae and checking the sources of unnecessary water in the houses and getting them emptied if larvae are found and also giving notice to the house owner.
आपको मलेरिया की रोकथाम पर ध्यान देना होगा, जैसे मच्छरों को पनपने और बढ़ने से रोकें, मच्छरदानी का इस्तेमाल करें, हाई रिस्क लोगों का खास ध्यान रखें। इसमें शामिल हैं गर्भवती महिलाएं, 5 वर्ष से कम उम्र के बच्चे और HIV/AIDS के रोगी। भारत सन 2030 तक मलेरिया को जड़ से खत्म करने की योजना पर काम कर रहा है। आप भी इसका हिस्सा बन सकते हैं। कैसे? सही जानकारी फैलाएं, मच्छर नहीं।